That's actually a 52-inch Concord Ceiling Fan, which is installed in my dad's trailer when they moved in. It's not a house, I was wrong, that's a trailer. Yeah, and it's in brushed steel, and it's brushed steel rolled to oak blades. And there's a Concord logo. I'm going to show you the light real quick. Low. Yeah, the other one in the living room, which is very wobbly, but I don't think I'm going to show it, but I'll show you it later when I get a chance. But not now. Brush steel. Yeah, it's actually a Concord Builder Fan, or the Concord Builder Fan, I think, or let me know the people in the comments. Okay, medium. Sold in my dad's room. Yeah. And yeah, and those pulls and the logo, those chains are original. Okay, hi. Yeah, and also those are LED bulbs, and I do not know what kind of bulbs are there. Let me show you one more thing. Light. All light off. Off. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.